What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with more lines of work. Trying to build this 4B12 so we can beat 4B11s. And with half the cost, actually. So it's gonna be pretty good. So we're gonna get as much done as we can today. Try and, you know, put on more of the accessories like the pumps, and we still have AC, so don't think I'm getting rid of that. So soon it'll be right in there. Gotta cover this up too so we don't scratch it while trying to install. That would really suck if we scratch the paint. But confident thoughts. Always stay optimistic, and we'll see this project through. Alright, so here's where we left off at. Engine bay prepped and ready. That shit looks good actually. Oh wow. Good. As you can see, it's nice and dry now. Actually looks really good. And here we are back to the engine. The whole block. As you can see, we put the heads on the block. Started putting the lifter covers back on and everything. Okay. So a bunch of stuff was done while I was gone. Yeah. This year is the year BG is going to be put back together, so the old block, as you can see, just going to take stuff off the old block and push it on the new block. Look at this old belt. This shit needs to be replaced. I even think it's supposed to be wider than this too. That's crazy. Okay. You gotta clean up the trans. Make sure everything is in tip-top shape. Put it back in working order. And yeah, looks like a lot, but not really much, you know. Not really much. So let's try and get started on this. I don't know where to start. Further dismantling this engine. There you go. That's all my old boats? Nah, those are my boats. And just like that, that's how you rob the chain. Looks nice. It's like nothing wrong with it. Just like I said. Long ass oil pan. We out here. We want to get the best brake cleaner. Oh shit. It's Gang, we out here. Oh man.
Hello. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, what kind of oil we gonna get? Cause I know we need special kind of oil. When you get off the phone, you don't even answer. Alright, let's just get. This one's good.
This ain't green, is this one?
It's green. We gotta stick with the green, bro.
Oh, we go with the blue.
Oh, we go with the blue. I mean, fuck it. Let's pick up two.
Nah.
Oh, 2 for 7? No.
Yeah, we don't need
No, we out here.
engine cleaner. Brake cleaner.
Oh, fuck it, right? Just put it there.
The
rims are BG. Got some solid hubcaps here. All sizes. Alright, back from Pet Boys with the goodies. And boom. Just like that, everything is assembled. Now, please forgive me. The file has corrupted. I had a whole video, well, separate skits of putting the transmission back and the new clutch, stage 3, custom made by our shop. And here comes the party. Well, yeah, it's looking pretty good. All in one go.
Yeah, clutch and everything is good. You dial it.
Oh, you even got all the accessories and shit on. Oh, wow.
You now realize it?
Yeah, right? And I just need that belt.
You just gotta put on the fucking cover.
Nice. Okay. Basically done. We gotta put on the AC compressor and coolant pump.
It goes right on this side.
Yeah, right. Let's grab this. This one's from the new engine, right? Oh yeah, you're right. It goes right there. And I remember the pipe stretches across the back like that, so it goes like this. That's not hard. So, we'll get this done. What else? Oh yeah, we gotta paint the heads. Oh shit. Right?
How to paint back everything like gold and silver, green and silver.
Yeah, green and silver. Well,
I know it's black
nice.
in there though because the
nice.
fucking intake is silver. It's chromed out.
Yeah, yeah, you seen it, right?
Yeah.
The intake.
So you should have
silver.
fucking went silver right around with the engine and just leave the engine bay like that.
But what about I just leave the head silver and then it matches the thing? I don't know.
Alright.
How would that look if I leave the head silver and it matches with the new intake manifold?
It will look good.
I think so. Facts. It's probably a gasket that goes in between. Let's bust out the gaskets. Yo, so what's up with this RX-7 though?
You should be here for like 5 years.
This shit is fire. How much you want for it?
I don't know.
Yo, 2 beans right now.
He said 2 beans right
I give him 2 cash right now. 2 cash. If you guys not from New York, you guys don't understand the lingo we talking about. 2 cash right now. Alright, we gonna start transferring over these sensors one at a time. Straight back to the next block. Nah, we're using that one because the one in your hand have scratches on it and shit. So we gonna use that fresh one. The valve cover. This is an interesting. Down is this way and up is this way. What? I never even held one like this. This is really cool. Damn. Lefty loosey, right? Okay. Alright. We got the dipstick painted. Secrets. We're almost there. Coming soon. We out here. 1,000 horsepower, man. 2,000 horsepower. Oh, man. So we transfer all the sensors over, which was not much. There's already new sensors on the engine itself, so that's fine.
me, man.
I want to race with comfort.
Oh, you want to race in comfort? Yeah.
Alright guys, forgot to film our outro at the shop, but we got good progress today. I'm filming this after I'm editing the video, so I found out that a lot of the clips are corrupted. Don't know how. Cheap GoPro, I guess, you know. But yeah, so I see a lot of people have been asking me questions in the comment section. If you guys just want, you guys could message me on Instagram. So it's the same name as my YouTube channel. I can answer all your questions there quicker, a lot better. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget, never stop modifying.